Have you ever wondered what happens when your body runs out of sugar? It starts to use fat instead. That's what happens when people follow a diet called keto. Today, we're going to explore the world of the keto diet. So, get ready to learn how people use it to lose weight and feel better. The keto diet has become super popular. People use it to help lose weight. But did you know it was first created over 100 years ago to help people with a health problem called epilepsy? Now let's dive into what the keto diet really is. What is the keto diet? The keto diet is a special way of eating. People eat lots of fat, a little bit of protein, and almost no carbohydrates, which are things like bread and pasta. Normally, our bodies use carbohydrates to make energy, but with the keto diet, the body runs out of carbs and starts burning fat instead. This is called ketosis. To enter ketosis, you need to eat less than 50 grams of carbs a day. That's like eating only one banana. Most of your energy comes from fat, which makes up about 70% to 80% of your calories. How does ketosis work? Your body likes to use sugar, called glucose, for energy. But when you don't eat many carbs, your body doesn't have enough glucose. So, your liver turns fat into something called ketones. These ketones are used by your body as energy instead of glucose. That's how you stay in ketosis. But here's the thing, staying in ketosis isn't easy. You have to be really careful about what you eat, or you'll stop burning fat and go back to burning carbs. Different types of keto diets. There are many kinds of keto diets, but true keto diets are very low in carbs and high in fat. Some diets, like Atkins or South Beach, are similar but might not put you in ketosis because they have too many carbs. To stay in ketosis, you must keep carbs really low and not eat too much protein. What can you eat on a keto diet? Now let's talk food. What can you eat on a keto diet? The best foods are high in fat, low in carbs, and have moderate protein. Think of foods like avocados, eggs, cheese, and meats. You can also enjoy oils like olive oil, and veggies like spinach and kale. But be careful with things like fruits. Even some fruits like bananas have too many carbs, so stick to just a handful of berries. And yes, you can have a little dark chocolate too. Benefits of the keto diet. The keto diet can help people in a few ways. Some people lose weight because their body is burning fat instead of carbs. Others feel less hungry, which helps them stick to the diet. Also, eating fewer carbs can help people with diabetes manage their blood sugar better. However, studies show that the keto diet might not be better for losing weight than other diets. It's just another way to try and be healthy. Risks and side effects. But the keto diet isn't perfect. It can be risky, especially for kids or people with certain health problems. Eating too much fat, especially saturated fat, can be bad for your heart. Also, the diet can be really low in fiber, which might cause tummy troubles like constipation. Some people also get something called keto flu when they start the diet. This can make them feel tired, have headaches, and even feel dizzy. It's like your body is adjusting to a new way of making energy. So that's the keto diet. It's a unique way of eating that helps some people burn fat and lose weight. But it's important to remember not all diets are good for everyone. If you liked learning about this, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more cool health facts.